This week, I'm suffering from a bad case of man flu. I still wanted to do a video for you guys, but as you can tell, my voice really isn't holding out. So just a few words of wisdom, just get out there and shoot. There's no other way that you're going to get better at photography than to get out there and take photos. Take as many as you can, whether it's an event at your local town or even into your back garden, and just find something interesting to take a photo of. It could be the sun setting in the distance, or it could be just a flower. No matter what it is, the only way that you're going to get better is to get used to your camera and get used to how it works. I'd just like to say thanks to all of you for subscribing. Remember, if you want to get weekly updates, turn on notifications. I've got lots of exciting things coming up throughout the year, and I can't wait to share it with you all. So keep shooting. Let me know how you get on in the comments below, and tutorials will resume next week. I'll see you then. Oh, that was a bit of a croaky ending, wasn't it? I'll see you then. Yeah, I'm done.